Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.4, Problem 10. This is Section 4.4, Problem 10. It says a Math 011 class has 20 students in it. 18 of the students are Portuguese. What percent of the class is Portuguese? So, there are 20 students in the class altogether. I'm going to set up a fraction, and that becomes the denominator, the 20. And the number of students that are Portuguese are 18. That becomes the numerator. So it's 18 out of 20. Now the question really wants me to turn this into a percent. What percent is that? So to convert a fraction to a percent, what I like to do if possible is change the denominator to a 100. That makes percent easy. And in this case, my denominator of 20 is easily changed to a 100 by multiplying times 5. So if I do the denominator times 5, I have to do the numerator times 5 also. So 18 times 5 would be 90, right? Where did that come from? That came from 18 times 5. So when I have a denominator of 100, the percent is whatever the numerator is. So the numerator is 90, so the percent is 90. So 90% of that class is Portuguese.